I don't really know how I'm going to stretch this video over a minute because all you really need to know is what this word means, right? What is an equilateral triangle? Well, it means that all three sides are the same. Literally, equi means equal and lateral means side. So equilateral, same sides, equal sides. And so, well, two of them are 4680, then the third one's going to be 4680. So that's literally the whole question. But I got to drag it out so that it's not a YouTube short, so we're going to do that. Now, one piece of advice when it comes to any sort of geometry question is no matter how stupid a piece of information seems or how obvious it seems, you should put it on the picture. So in a more complicated question that involved equilateral triangles, it might seem obvious that all three sides are the same, and then therefore all three angles are the same. And you probably know this, that the angles would be 60 degrees each. But for some reason, people are like, oh, I just, will hold that idea in my head. But a lot of times when we have equilateral triangles in questions, we really need to see those 60s because we know that there are special things that happen with a 60-degree angle, right? We have those 30, 60, 90 triangles. And sometimes we need to take this equilateral and split it in half to make that 30, 60, 90, and then to do other things to kind of compare the sides and maybe get the height and get the area. So there's all sorts of things that can come from that. But I do find that this is a very common mistake that holds people back, is they know geometry. They know what these words mean. They understand the rules, but they don't use them. They kind of hold them in their head, and it doesn't do you any good up here. Put it on the page. You never know what's going to move the question forward. And I think that is especially true of geometry questions. So hopefully, yeah, you got this question right, or now you know what equilateral means, but it's bigger than that, right? So there's something more, hopefully, that you got out of this video to help you on harder questions.